In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to revamp leftover fries into a delicious sweet chili fries, and I'm going to be using very easy and accessible pantry ingredients which you are going to find listed in the description box down below. So I have a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce over here. You can find the sweet chili in any stocked supermarket. So the sauce is sweet and spicy at the same time. So you're going to move over to the stove top and place a pan over medium heat. Add cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to be adding in 1 small diced onion together with 4 cloves of diced garlic. Saute the onions and garlic until soft. As the onions and garlic are cooking, I'm going to add in some black pepper and a little bit of salt to season my fries. Toss the onions and garlic so that they can be coated with the black pepper and salt. And at this point, I'm going to add in some red and green capsicum. You can use whichever capsicum that you have in the house, but I would recommend you look for either the red or yellow capsicum, because the red capsicum adds a very nice sweetness to your fries. After 1 minute, I'm going to add in my sweet chili sauce. Mix in. Oh yum, this looks so good. And once the sauce is fully combined with the capsicum, I'm going to add back my fries. Put the leftover fries with the delicious sauce. And my oh my, just look at this. This looks so good. So don't add any water to your leftover fries, because the fries are going to turn out very soggy from the water. So you're going to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes until the fries are all cooked up and ready to eat. Check out my sweet chili fries. They're looking incredible and absolutely worth trying. This is how my sweet chili fries are looking at this point, and the fries are ready. So I'm going to sprinkle in with some coriander to garnish. Stir in the coriander and my sweet chili fries are ready. My sweet chili fries are ready, and I absolutely love the flavor that the sweet chili has added to my fries. It's a little bit sweet and also has a kick of spiciness, which is not too much. Yeah, so I also love the contrast that my green and red capsicum has added to my fries together with the coriander. This is just worth trying, and trust me, you'll absolutely love this, and you'll always make these sweet chili fries when you have some leftover fries.